Il-Bank ta' Żvilupp li se jkollu pajjiżna mistenni jkun imwaqqaf fi żmien 4 xhur. Iddikjara dan id-Deputat Prim Ministru Louis Grech wara laqgħa mal-Viċi President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Katainen. L-għan ta' dan il-bank hu li jgħin fil-finanzjament ta' inizjattivi bejn is-settur pubbliku u dak privat. Mistoqsi minn One News dwar l-importanza ta' bank bħal dan, id-Deputat Prim Ministru spjega li dan jindirizza riski li banek kummerċjali ma jkunux lest li jieħdu biex jiffinanzjaw proġetti ta' investiment.
It is essential, especially because if we're going to rely completely on the banks, we're going to find areas where the bank would not be ready to lend because of the, especially banks were reluctant after the post-financial crisis, although they were partially responsible, to a degree responsible to the financial crisis. After the financial crisis, they were reluctant to make lending with a risk element, and the Development Bank would be able to address those specific requirements and needs of our economy.
Il-Viċi President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Katainen qal li modelli tal-bank propost f'Malta jeżistu f'pajjiżi oħra u twaqqif tiegħu jkun ta' vantaġġ għal Malta. Tul il-konferenza ġie diskuss il-pjan ta' investiment tal-Unjoni Ewropea li mistenni joffri 315 biljun euro biex jinħolqu investimenti pubbliċi u privati. Inizjalment Malta resqet 5 proġetti fosthom bini ta' breakwater f'Marsamxett u monorail li jinkludi linji kemm fuq l-art kif ukoll taħt l-art. Louis Grech tkellem dwar kif il-Gvern għandu prioritajiet ċari.
That we're sticking to the 5 projects, we're looking at other projects as well. The projects would be related to health, or others in the area of renewable energy, and especially transport and traffic.
Dwar il-proġett tal-breakwater f'Marsamxett, id-Deputat Prim Ministru qal li fil-passat dan il-port ma ġiex utilizzat biżżejjed.
When it comes to the Marsamxett harbour, it is obvious that one way or the other we do need to develop that harbour. We feel that Marsamxett harbour is a highly unutilized harbour. I think it could generate great wealth if we obviously agree to make the breakwater.
Sa dan it-tant fl-laqgħa mal-Kumitat Parlamentari għall-Ekonomija u l-Affarijiet Barranin, il-Viċi President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea irrimarka b'mod pożittiv dwar l-andament ekonomiku Malti wara r-riformi strutturali li qegħdin isiru.